And by the time she wakes up halfway to my mama's home, it just dawned on me like a sad breeze as the past moved on. And it was my mistake, 'cause she never said a thing about Jesus. I miss my mother's southern drawl and her praying through the walls in the evening. Give me my dogs back, 'cause everything that dies makes its way on back. I lost a last lie in a